Let's see what happens when we send two pulses of sound separated by a period of about 2 seconds. 1, 2. You see that there's a distance that separates those two pulses. We can refer to that distance as a wavelength. Now, let's see what happens when we send two pulses separated by a period of about 1 second. 1. Now the wavelength is about half the wavelength that we saw before. This makes sense. The shorter the period, the closer the pulses will be traveling together. You can think of this as cars traveling on the freeway. If you live now at 50 miles an hour and are living 1 hour at the same speed, you will always be 50 miles ahead. If, instead of living 1 hour after you, I live 30 minutes after you, you will always be 25 miles ahead. The time between the cars leaving is the period, and the distance is the wavelength. For these tutorials, I've been using the PhET simulator.